Hi everyone. Today we have another guest with us, Ritik. So Ritik is the director of TDMS. TDMS stands for Decoration Digital Marketing, where the word decoration actually sounds. It's a Spanish word. It stands for design. He has been into digital marketing industry for 5 years now and has worked with different brands ranging from colleges to food industry. Not only that, he had a recent interview with Kinshuk Vaidya. Ritik has also designed Kinshuk's website, which you can find in the link below. His company has taught 900 plus students, and he has helped them build their own websites and their own startups. He has over 40 plus clients, and this all is in just 2 years. Looking forward to a lot more. Ritik, thank you very much for being with us. You tell me a little more about yourself.
As you said, my name is Ritik, and I did my undergraduation from a college of Delhi University, that is Motilal Nehru College, and I did my BCom from there. And talking about my current startup, it is a Decoration Digital Marketing Services Private Limited, and I started the startup when I was 21 years of age. Currently, I'm 23,
Oh,
and
yeah.
basically, what we deal into is we work in two sectors, that is B2B and B2C. In B2C section, we provide digital marketing courses to the students. We teach people how to do digital marketing,
Right.
and basically we are working on making those people kind of an army of digital marketers. After
So
which a
people,
person, yes,
sorry to interrupt. For people who don't know, B2B is business to business, and B2C is business to customer. Thank you very much, Ritik. Please go on. Yeah.
hi. So once a person has learned digital marketing from us, then we help that person employ into another business and where the person implements the things that he has learned from us. Obviously, there's a lot of difference between what we have learned and what we implement. So basically, first we teach, and after which we provide them practical exposure about digital marketing, how to work with clients, and as I said, what we learn is different, and what client expects is different.
Totally correct.
As I
I
said,
totally agree.
college
Correct.
is
Yes.
totally different than real life.
Yeah. Right. Right.
So
Totally.
this is
Yes.
a basic startup idea that I
Yes.
implemented.
Yes. 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 Okay. That's so great, Ritik. So this is what we know, Ritik, of now, 2021. Could you please walk us through memory lane? How all did you start up? How was it before? What is network marketing and stuff like that? Could you take us through that?
Okay, so basically, like I just completed my schooling, and after my schooling was completed, one of my classmates came and told that I'm organizing an event related to website designing, and you should definitely come and attend that event. In Delhi, there is a famous area known as ITO. We went
Right.
to ITO and we had a small event where he taught me, like had his senior had shown me a presentation about 3 hours, and the only thing I remember was first we can earn a lot from there.
Yeah.
Second, there is a lot of scope in IT industry. He gave
Right.
many
Yes.
examples related to Amazon, Flipkart, Bill Gates, Microsoft, and
Yes.
all those IT fields that those many people have done a lot through IT field, even you can do it.
Right.
So I just completed my schooling and I was looking for some to start something.
Hmm.
So I said, let's go for it.
Right.
I started learning website designing, and after which my friend told you can also promote website designing, and if
Okay.
you promote website designing to anyone, you can also earn a part-time income out of it.
Great.
So I
Yes.
started my journey in network marketing, and in network marketing, basically it's like, for example, my friend recommended that concept to me, and if I'll recommend the concept to you, I'll be
Right.
getting a part of that revenue generated. Plus, my senior will get a part of that revenue generated.
Okay.
So
Right.
basically, it works like a network of people who are working for a company to promote a particular product.
Okay.
And I spent 3 years of my life in that company.
Hmm.
I got a position of general manager over that in that company, and I had a team of like 2,000 people that were working under me. And like, imagine I'm just 18 years of age. I started when I was 19. I
Hmm.
got a
Hmm.
team. I built the startup. That company was started in that time only. That was a
Okay.
very big company. So what I
Yes.
thought was there were a lot of opportunities to grow in that particular sector.
Right. For
So
sure.
like
Yes.
I turned 19, I got my bike, I turned 20, I got a car for my self-earned income.
Great.
And at 20, I was at my peak.
Right.
And
Hmm.
when I turned 21, I was like, I'm not happy.
Yeah. Right.
I got my name, I got my fame, I got my financial set,
You
but
now
I
have
was not
money too,
happy.
but you are
Like,
not convinced, right? You don't like
yes,
what you're
like
doing.
as you call, that was not mine.
Yeah.
That belonged to someone else.
Right.
So
Totally.
yes, I thought upon it like whether I should start something of my own. Yes, no, and I thought let's go for it.
Right. Yes.
Maximum consequence that can happen will be I'll lose 2 years of my life
Right.
maximum. And the alternate that I thought for the same was I'll consider that I have wasted 2 years in my masters.
Yeah, because at this age you can, take that risk and invest in yourself for sure. You can invest in yourself, go for that 2 years, and work it out. That's correct. That's true. That's so good. That's so good.
So I turned 21 and
Mhm.
I said, let's start. I had completed my undergraduation
Yeah.
and
Mhm.
I gave the green signal, let's start. The biggest mistake that I did was I copied the concept around 80%
Oh, okay. Hmm.
because I was 21, I didn't had so much of real life experience, and it was like
Yes.
I know only a single thing that is marketing and website
Right.
design.
Mhm.
I just added digital marketing to it because I was
Mhm.
learning digital marketing in the back end. So
Right.
I started with the concept and I was like, let's go. And it was like started with a bang because since
Great.
I had a network of 2000 people, I just added a status that I am planning to start something. And
Yeah.
those people trusted me a lot. And there were many people who joined with me without even knowing the concept.
Because
They
they
said,
trusted you. They trusted
yes,
you and
they
your
said,
in your vision.
the,
Yes.
you are doing, I'll do with you.
Great.
And
Yeah.
touch wood, those people are still with me. The first innovation that I added after it was I started working for businesses. Like
So
earlier,
till now, what were you
we
working
were
on?
just
Like you,
providing digital marketing course, and we
that's
were
it. Okay.
promoting that course using the power of network marketing. The
Okay.
company that I used to work earlier that was providing website designing course, I just started digital marketing in it and I started selling at a lower price, thinking my product will be sold since my I'm providing much utility and my price is reduced.
Of
But
course, competition.
I
Yes.
yes, but I didn't uh, bother to think that that company is already having a lot of clientele.
Okay.
How will I survive in the market?
Yes. Right.
Being just 21 year immature, I thought,
Yeah.
yes, I'll do it. I took so many risks. The amount that was I was earning, the all the amount that I earned in 5 to 6 months, I invested in the office
Okay.
because
Hmm.
uh, always we have learned if we're
Yeah.
having a home, we cannot make a shop out of a home.
Yes.
But if we are having a shop, we can make home out of the shop because shop will give you finances.
You can't risk your home for a shop. You can do the other
Yes.
way around.
But that was kind of a part time.
Okay.
We always insisted students to learn digital marketing, and secondary thing was working on businesses.
Right.
So I started with my office, and it was many people advised to get the courses online and bring everything online. The only restrict that I had was in my mind I cannot deal with people who are already a professional in the market, such as Udemy or Coursera.
Okay.
The way they can represent everything graphically and all those things, it won't be possible for me to do it. So uh, I said, let's find how can we do better than those businesses.
Okay. Yeah.
And then we got some loopholes, like we provided guaranteed internship, we provide one-on-one live trainings instead of recorded
Great.
classes, and because of which things got even better.
Superb, right? Yeah, superb.
Like things got better because we were not just restricted till Delhi.
Mhm.
We worked all over India.
So
I
the
was
pandemic really did help you out. It was a good thing for you. That was.
Yes, it did help me in multiple folds. All those businesses that were not online started to get online because as I didn't knew when my office will be opening because I cannot risk the life of 50 students in a single go.
Right. Mhm.
So I removed network marketing and I started working with corporates on a regular basis. As I said earlier, it was a part time. Now I made it a main thing that, and this was a turning point of our business. It was
Yes.
like that person will come to us, he'll pay us a certain amount, and after which that person will get an internship. That's it. Basically, we were not generating regular revenue out of that particular student. But in case of business, that person, if he wants to keep his brand alive, or he wants to keep himself alive in the competition, he will need digital marketing on a regular basis.
Right.
Network marketing is basically, I'll give you a small example.
Sure.
Uh, for example, this is a mobile phone.
Mhm.
I use this mobile phone and I thought, like, I'm satisfied with this particular phone.
Right.
But I'll say, Abhay, are you in search of a phone? Yes, it's been 2 years since I'm using this phone. I'm thinking that I should change this phone. Uh, Abhay, this is a really good phone. You
Yeah.
should definitely. I'm using this mobile phone since 2 months, and the camera quality is very good, the build is very good, and it is of this XYZ company. You should definitely try it.
Right.
So I'll recommend this mobile phone to you as a word of mouth advertising.
Okay. Hmm.
Next, you started using this mobile phone. It's obvious if you are satisfied this particular product. Second, if you want to earn some part-time income, you'll definitely recommend this mobile phone to someone else.
Right. Yes.
So basically, if let's say this company is OnePlus,
Yeah.
I saw the mobile phone of OnePlus, I purchased the mobile phone of OnePlus. Then I recommended it to you, you recommended it to one of your friend.
Right.
Basically, I advertised on behalf of OnePlus.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that company will give a part of advertising fee to me as well as to you because because of you one product of the company got sold, but because of me two products got sold because,
Right. Yeah.
and
Hmm.
even if he'll promote now, you will be generating income out of it and I will be generating income out of it.
Understood. Okay. So this is network marketing.
Yes.
Am I correct? Now you go to digital marketing. How is that different from?
Before 10 to 15 years till now, uh, before 10 15 years, if we wanted to know how big that business is, we used
Hmm.
to consider two things. First, it's the size of the shop.
Hmm.
Second was the quality of the advertising board that particular person has used. But after 15 years, that is today,
Yeah.
we don't have a look at the shop, we don't have a look at
Right.
the board we use to work on reviews. What are the
Yeah.
review of that particular object? For example, we don't know where the warehouse of Amazon is. We
Okay.
don't
Yeah.
know
For
where
sure.
the warehouse of Flipkart is. But
Yes.
still, we purchase products online using the reviews
Reviews.
and the photos that we see. So, digital marketing is basically bringing any business online. Maybe business,
Okay.
maybe service, maybe any tourist place, anything online and promoting it. I won't say
Understood.
selling it, I'll say promoting it. So digital marketing is basically marketing of any stuff, maybe service, maybe product, maybe people, maybe place, Gujarat tourism, anything
Yeah.
using
Yeah.
the online method. Online method
Okay.
can be a website, can be email, can be a Google pages, can be SMS marketing. Use of electronic medium for marketing is known as digital marketing.
Great. 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 Understood. So that was a very comprehensive answer. Now that you told the difference, how would someone start? If he really wants, he's really interested into digital marketing. how would you guide him? What would be the best way for him to get into digital marketing? Thank you very much for watching this till the end. This was the first part of the series. Do come back for the second part. All the links are put in the description. Do like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much.